Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all? Oh, I'm seeing you after a long time. I hope you are doing well as you must be viewing all the videos sent by us regularly, and I hope you might be enjoying them as well. Today I have come up with a wonderful, inspiring and motivational story which we all are going to learn something very nice from it. So are you all ready to listen to that story? Great. Um, Today I am going to tell you a story about a farmer. His name was Aaron. So he was a farmer, he was a very good farmer, and he used to grow good quality of corn in his fields, and every year he was winning a lot of awards. So one day he was interviewed by a reporter, and he asked that, sir, every year you keep winning the awards and you grow wonderful corn in your field. So can you share how come you are able to grow such wonderful corn every year in your field? So the farmer said, I have a secret how I'm able to grow wonderful corn every year and win the awards every year. So the reporter was very excited and he wanted to know how he was growing such wonderful corn. So the farmer replied, sir, every year I share my good quality of corn with my neighbors. So I help my neighbors to grow good quality of corn. So the reporter was astonished and he asked that, how come if you are like your farmers, the neighbor farmers are already in competition with you, so how can you afford to share such good quality corn? So even they will get awards. So the farmer smiled and he said, that's exactly. Don't you know, sir, that the pollen are, they keep swirling around the fields, and then for the cross pollination it is very important that you should have the good quality. So if my neighbors are growing under quality seeds, the corn, the crops, then even from the pollen which will pass from my field, even I will get the lesser and degraded quality of corn. So I will not be winning the awards every year until I help my neighbors to grow good quality. So even they grow good quality, so even I get the better and the best results. So this is what he said, and the reporter was really amazed to listen to his answer. So the moral, what we are learning from this is, unless and until you help or you make others happy, others to excel, others to climb the ladder, it's not going to work out for you as well. अगर आपको जीवन में आगे बढ़ना है, आपको खुशी चाहिए, आपको अच्छा बनना है, तो सबसे पहले आपको दूसरों को भी खुशी देनी होगी, आपको भी सबको आगे आना। ऐसा नहीं है कि ओके मैं ही जीतूँ, मैं ही आगे आऊँ, बिकॉज हम लोग बच्चों को भी यही सिखाते हैं कभी कभी कि वो क्लास में फर्स्ट आया ना, उसके मार्क्स आपसे आपसे ज़्यादा है, आपके कम आए। सो दिस इज़ वॉट, वो उसके आए तो आप भी करिए, ऐसा नहीं कि आप उससे भी आगे निकलो, उससे भी ये करो, बिकॉज कंपटीशन में रहना अच्छी बात है, लेकिन किसी को डिफिट, आई वॉन्ट एवरीबडी टू विन, मतलब सब कोई आगे आए, ऐसा नहीं है। तो हम कभी कभी मतलब अननोइंगली, अनकॉन्शियसली हम ये सिखाते हैं कि नहीं, हमें ही सबसे आगे रहना है, दूसरों को पछाड़ो, पीछे 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 कर दो उनको। सो ये एटीट्यूड नहीं होना चाहिए। इवन वी ऑल्सो, कि किसी का अच्छा हो रहा है तो हम जेलसी के नहीं, उसका प्रमोशन हुआ, वो आगे बढ़ रहा है, उसको ये मिला, उसको सब अटेंशन दे रहे हैं और मुझे नहीं। सो ये भावनाएं हमारे में, ओके, एज वी ऑल आर ह्यूमंस होनी चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप में, लेकिन ईर्ष्या की भावना, you should not feel jealous of somebody कि okay you should have prejudice for someone and you get revengeful कि नहीं, why should he or she can do better, वो उसका तो होना ही चाहिए, मैं करूँ, आप करो, लेकिन साथ में वो कर रहा है, let also that person prosper further. So call it a power, or call it a principle of success, or call it a law of life. ये सब मतलब दिस इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, ये ज़रूरी है कि यू हैव टू विन बट लेट अदर्स ऑल्सो विन. अगर हम दूसरों को जीतने नहीं दे रहे हैं, सो वी विल ऑल्सो विल नॉट विन. सो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, टू it's a fact that if we make others win, then only we'll win. If none or if somebody, you want somebody only to win, then nobody will win. कि हमें ये attitude नहीं रखना चाहिए. So my request to you all is like, गौर कीजिए ये बात को. I think मेरी बात से आप सहमत होंगे, not everybody I guess, but I feel that I've shared my view कि let's all win, let's all prosper and let's all be happy. So today I've come to spread a lot of happiness and share my views. So till then, keep happy, keep smiling and stay safe. Take care. See you then, and stay tuned till then. See you next time. Bye bye.